Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here to do the Oh So Inspired collab hosted by Crafty Al. So go check out her channel. The links will be in the description box below. Plus, there's a bunch of other ladies that participate each month, and you could also do a video response if you wanted to just show that you're all involved. I want to thank those people who have commented and so forth on past videos because this is a fun challenge. Let me go ahead and discuss what it is in case you are new and haven't heard. Every month, Crafty Al gives us an inspiration piece. It could be a video, a blog post, a picture, a Pinterest post, and we are to use that as inspiration. You don't have to create the same thing. You don't have to create the same colors. You just look at it for yourself and figure out what inspires you. So this month, if you look in below, below in the description box, as usual, it also has the link to the inspiration piece. And this time it was about layered embellishments. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what I worked with, and then I'll show you what I made. My original thought was just to go ahead and make a bunch of embellishments and, have them saved. But I found out that I don't really work that way. So I tried, but I didn't finish them. So I used my hexagon punch, which she does show hexes in the post. I also went ahead and used this. Is it a McGill? Yes, it's a McGill flower punch. And it makes pretty decent flowers as far as the size go. So you can see in comparison to my hand. So first, I did layered hexes, and then I was going to add these flowers in different sentiments. Like I said, I found out I pretty much don't like making embellishments just to have sitting around. I like to make them and either use them or, if they're going in a swap. So I made these, and they're layered. As you can see, it's the consistency of chipboard, basically, of a lightweight chipboard. So I cut out three. I cut out 3 pieces from 65-pound cardstock, and then I cut out the designer paper. So this one is cute. I don't know. It's got watering cans. This is actually a UK paper. So I did 2 of those. I did 2 of these. I did 2 music ones. 2 from the hearts, and they're all done the same way. And the good thing about this is, you hear how sturdy that is? So it's I only did one of these because I had an oddball number. So I did those with the intention of using these. So I layered up flowers from that punch. So, right. And I was going to shape them, and then I got to the point, like I said, I was like, I'm not going to be using these right now. So I'm not going to take the time to shape them. But I did go ahead and just build up flowers from all the ones that I punched. Right? So actually that's pretty. So here you can see where I was doing some kind of shaping, and then I just stopped. So they're pretty much flat. But you can go back and shape them once you use them, which is probably what I'll do. So that was my first go round. Then I decided that I wanted to do some layered embellishments, but I wanted to actually use them to get some work done, some pieces done. So you guys know I do love my tattered lace. And this is a pack of 20 dies. It came together, they're little mini dies. And I finally took it out the other pack and put them on some magnetic sheets in these envelopes. So these are tattered lace dies, and I used this set of 3 here and this set of 3 here because these look like roses to me in comparison to these, although they could be pansies or something like that. But once you put them together, they're rosy, they're rose-like. And so there's that set, and I made 3 things. First off, I made 2 Easter cards. So by the time you see this video, they'll already be sent out because Easter is at the end of March. And this video doesn't go up until the 15th of April. So I took these 2 card bases. I got these in a swap, so thank you. And then I went ahead and added some paper. And these are all scraps from the last couple loaded envelopes that I did. So this is a Anna Griffin, the Treasury. I got glue all over my fingers. This is the Anna Griffin Treasury. And it had Happy Easter and it fit just right there. So this is layered up on some foam dots. I did some more layering of those flowers. Now these are the flowers from the Tattered Lace and so are the leaves. These two are Spellbinder dies. And I just layered those up and put some pinkish color in the middle to match. And that green, and then a little dot of a little thing. You know what I'm trying to say. And then on the inside, I did this. So that had paper and then another white thing that you could write a message here. And it's just a simple card, and I loved the scalloped edge. And so then I did this one. Same thing, layered it up. So my layered embellishments are here. And I just thought this was lovely because it just went with that so well. And I did the same thing on the inside. So I did those two as far as the layered embellishment goes here. And then I used a tag. This, you know how you just have stuff sitting on your desk and it's like, ooh, wow. Okay. So if you know or not, I draw digital images. So this is one I've had, ooh, I don't even remember. It says on here, I think 2015. You can see the date right there. So this is one of the images that I had drawn and did up and scanned to put in my computer. So I printed it for something else. And it was just sitting here on my desk. And then I had cut this out because I was going to use it on a loaded envelope. And it was just sitting here on my desk. And then I had these left over from the card. So I'm like, I'm just going to layer those up too. So I also had this little ribbon sitting here. And these little diamantes were the last ones I had left on the sheet. And then this little craft tag was sitting over there on the floor. I have a pile of craft stuff over there on the floor. People keep saying, when you do a craft room tour, I think they have the idea that my craft room is neat and organized, but it is so not neat. It's organized for me, but it's so not neat. I have stuff everywhere. All right, so that's my tag, and I just thought that was cute, using up little stuff that was on my desk. So those are my layered, not layered image, but my layered embellishments and the supplies that I used. And then, like I said, go check out the other ladies. Come back next time. I also have other videos that you can look at. If you're interested in any of my digital images, you could always check out my Etsy shop, although I need to load some more stuff in there. And it's Jamie Lola on Etsy. And yeah, so see you guys later. Thanks for watching.